channel. So today's video is a little different. I want to film, this is the first time I ever tried making a CHOCOFLAN. We usually always rely on my sister-in-law Nayeli, hey, for the cakes, but I said no, I have to be able to do it myself. So hopefully it comes out good. I got a recipe off of the Food Network. We'll see how that goes. So we're going to start off with the cake part. So this is going to require, and I'll put the recipe, the link down below so you guys can follow it. So let's start with the cake. So 10 tablespoons of butter room temperature. So this is 8. And if I look a little funny, it's because I'm not wearing my glasses. So I'm flying blind right now. Okay. I'm not the pioneer woman here, okay? I'm just trying to make you a cake here. So 8 plus 2 is 10.
Great job.
Thank you, thank you. A ver si me queda bien esto, si no, que ahorita. We'll have to call Nayeli in San Antonio to make us one. Favorite cake here? No, right? I think.
Tres leches.
There's a chili. No, I don't think I'm ever gonna make that for you. So, this is a lot of sugar. Oh my god! Let me make it a little bit. 1 cup, did I write that right? I hope so. 1 cup of sugar. I think that's about right. 1 cup of sugar, right? Okay, so I'm gonna throw it in there. And so I'm gonna stir this up here. Jeez. Oh no.
Put it lower.
That's as low as it goes. Maybe I should let it oh. I'm not a professional, guys. I only make no son. I only make a box cakes. Oh no.
What?
Okay, I'm just gonna throw in the egg. Move, son.
I see, Mom.
And then 1 egg room temperature. Move, son. Oh, this is not looking good. I don't know. 1 egg. Maybe that'll help the butter, right? Wow.
Whoa.
I'm looking like Angie right now. Oh yeah, that'll help. No. This is Franco. He's had a rough day.
Wait.
No, son. No. There you go. Okay, so that's the butter and the sugar.
It's good.
Sugar bomb. And then we need, wait,
No, Franco.
1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm supposed to sift the flour, but I don't have a sifter. No. No, son. What? 1 3/4 cups. No. No, pa. Leave the egg there. Leave them there. So I'm pretty sure this process doesn't take this long, but it's the first time I do it, so. 1 3/4 cups. That's 1.
Whoa.
Excuse me.
Do it.
2. Hold on. 3. Wait. Okay. We need a 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
That seems like a lot.
3/4 of a teaspoon, so we need 3 of these. No, son. Stop. I need 1/3 cup of this. 1/3 cup. What is this, Franco? Wait. No.
Whoa.
What is this? Throw it in there. Yay. Awesome. And a quarter of buttermilk. I'm sorry, I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm just very. Just right now. So one of these. Wait, hold on, son. One and a quarter. Hold on. Where's a quarter? We need a quarter. He's very excited. Hold on, son. Hold on, son. My husband's already put the the cooking spray on that. Hold on, son. Now we're gonna put this aside and we're gonna make the. Can I have a napkin, babe, please?
Yeah.
We're gonna do the flan part. It's just so we can take a little bit of excess. ¿Vas a ser panadero, pa? Okay, yes, come here.
This?
I'm a good helper.
Yes.
Yes!
Now Erin is gonna help us with the flan.
This one?
This one and no, the milk. This is the condensed milk, and I need the evaporated milk, please. This is my daughter. Leave the eggs alone, son.
You're doing too.
Yeah. And the kettle.
Why do I smell chocolate?
We're gonna make a chocolate cake.
Oh yeah, my
Okay.
like chocolate.
You already helped with this part. Okay, so we're gonna in here.
I'm gonna help.
Yes, you're gonna help me. Come on, son.
What?
Do this part. We're gonna put 12 ounces of evaporated milk.
Uncle, you're ready to help. I didn't. I was using the phone, right, Mom?
Yeah. Can you see her over there?
Yeah. She's good.
No, you hold this. Look. Put this in here. Open it. Yes, you can. You can open it. Yes, you can.
I'm not gonna see it.
Sure, you can.
Is it gonna fall or something? Look at it! Look at it! Whoa. Ew.
Go to
Look at it! Mommy, a bump?
This is for the flan.
Mommy,
You got it?
Here.
And then this. Sweet coconut milk. This is a 14. Yeah, I know. Hold on.
I'll do this.
No, we don't need that for this one.
Oh.
Wow, that's thick.
Hello?
Babe.
We need a napkin. We need a napkin.
Hold on, son.
Okay.
Do you need a spoon?
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Yeah, give me a spoon.
And
We're trying to get them to go to bed so we can do this.
I want to go pee. Wait here, okay? Don't start yet, okay?
Okay, I'll wait for you. Wait, we're waiting for sister. We need to put in 4 ounces of cream cheese. This is 8 ounces. Wait, so we're gonna put half. Wait! Can you guys wait a minute? Hold on here. Of this.
Why like that? Whoa, what's that? That's a big piece.
No, don't touch it.
Too late.
Okay, vanilla extract. Hold on. Hey, watching you. It's like a baby.
No.
Yes, hold on.
No, Franco, you already helped. I did it.
He helped with the chocolate part. You're doing the flan.
Come here. Chocolate part, I wanted to do it. I want to do it. Wait, it's okay. I do it.
And this is 1 tablespoon.
Wait, give me.
Oh, I should have.
Okay, and now put it.
Your pour.
Oh, sure it's 1 tablespoon?
Yeah, 1 tablespoon. Wait, son, hold on here.
This is number
Here,
1.
you help me pour it in here.
Okay, that's it.
No, wait. Throw it. Thank you. Good job, guys. Give it back. Give it back.
Mom, now what? Put the
The
egg.
lip, though.
Mom, now can we put the egg?
You want to help me with the eggs, Pa? You help me with the eggs?
I want to help
He's
too.
going to do one and you do one. Here. You do one. Ready? Hold it like this.
Careful with the shells.
Oh, yeah. Ready? Wait. Ready? Move your hand, move your hand.
Go. My
Good
turn.
job. Okay.
I'll do it myself.
Now, Mommy does one. Hold yours. You hold one.
I'll do it.
3 eggs.
My turn. I'm scared.
Okay. No, crack it. 'Cause no, No, because we don't want any extras in there.
I did it with you with one hand.
Okay.
Now we're going to put it here.
Yes.
I want the dappa. Where's that?
Put this in here.
Open it. Open it.
Hold on there. Not yet.
How do you turn on?
Press. Hold on. Go
Open
first.
it.
Okay, now you press it, son.
I'm
No, let him do it. He wants to.
Press
Press it right here, Pa.
What is this charger for?
Okay, so we're back. We kind of cleaned up a little bit. The kids went to bed. Now, before we put the chocolate batter in here, in the video she did put some of this cajeta on there first. So I'm going to do that now. I'm not going to put that much because I don't know. I don't want to mess it up. Because you're still going to add some once it's baked. And then I also went back and I added the baking powder because I only put the baking soda, so I forgot to put the 3/4 teaspoons of this. But like I said, I'll put the recipe down below. And then first thing you're going to put in it is the chocolate batter. And I've never used a bundt pan before. So this is interesting.
Looks
It
good.
smells really good, yeah. I don't want to get the edges dirty. I'm sorry I'm blocking you guys. And you know what I find really crazy is that you put all the mixtures together and it separates. Right, babe? The first time I saw it do, I'm like, what? You put it together? I guess. But yeah, it separates on its own. And then we already have the oven at 350. Not yet.
Yeah.
350. And then it's going to cook for like an hour. And we do have to put foil paper on top of it.
Baking the cake. I'm
Almost.
hungry.
You're hungry for cake?
This you do it.
Hold on.
Pretty, please.
Hold on. Okay,
I
so
just wanna see
she wants to see it. So again, this, and then we're going to pour the flan over. And then it's going to cook for about an hour at 350. And we're going to cover it with foil and put it in a little paddle water, okay? So, this is crazy.
Yeah, this is super crazy. Okay, I think that's enough now.
Smells good.
It smells like
Okay?
chocolate. Wow.
So I'm just going to cover it up with foil. Doesn't it fall good, please? It's right here. No, we don't need this
I
anymore, Pa.
wonder we can put strawberries on it.
No strawberries or anything. So, this is what it should look like for now. We're going to bake it, and then we'll be back. back with you guys, okay?
What did you say?
Okay, so real quick, we're gonna put this in this other pan. It says to put it about halfway with water, and then oven is 350, and we will let it cook for an hour, and then we'll be back. So we just took it out of the hot bath. You wanna hold this babe so I can?
What is that for?
Let's open it just to see if it cooked right. It says it should be dry at the top. It was in there for an hour.
Let me see.
Ooh, it looks good.
I can't see. I
Hold on,
want
me.
to
It's very
see.
hot, okay?
Crazy.
You can see it. Let me hold on, Erin. Oh my.
Mom,
It looks
put
dry.
it here.
No, mamita, because it's very hot. Wow, it looks good, right? Zoom in there.
That's crazy how that happens.
Okay, so now we're gonna let it cool for like an hour before we flip it. We'll be back. Okay, so we let it cool for a long time. We're gonna see if it worked. You wanna do it, babe?
Sure.
Let's do it slowly. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Please don't be stuck. Does it feel stuck?
No.
It's stuck. Oh no, it's not.
It just came out.
Oh wow. Wow, babe. We did it. Oh my gosh. I'm shook. Oh, babe, not too bad for a first time.
It's pretty sweet. Like the ratio.
Oh, it's soft. All right, well, that's, I'm going to decorate it and then I'll put a little end video, I guess. Wow. Good job. Okay, and then we're just going to put a little bit more of this. Not too much. And that's enough, right?
Yeah.
You don't want too. And then we're gonna put some pecans.
Is it supposed to have pecans?
Yeah. Well, it's optional, but in the video it had it. Do you not want pecans?
No, that's fine. I like pecans. Pecans.
Pecans. Do you think that brown stuff is like burnt cajeta or something?
Yeah, it has to be the cajeta.
Oh. Okay, well, that's pretty much it. I'm actually very surprised that I guess tomorrow we'll taste it and we'll do a little video. The taste test. Sweet.